Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious egg fried rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fluffy basmati rice, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Also, prepare 1/4 cup each of thinly chopped carrots and French beans. For seasoning, have ½ teaspoon each of light soya sauce, vinegar, aromatic powder, white pepper, pepper powder, and sugar. Finally, 1/4 cup of chopped spring onion is needed. Achieving fluffy rice is key. Cook your basmati rice to about 90% doneness, then spread it on a plate to cool completely. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok over a high flame. Beat 2 eggs well and pour them into the hot oil. Fry the eggs quickly, making sure they form larger, distinct pieces rather than crumbling. Once cooked, remove the eggs and set them aside. Now, let's prepare the vegetables. Add the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil to the wok and heat it on a high flame. Once hot, add your thinly chopped French beans and carrots. It is crucial to stir-fry these vegetables on high heat for about 60% of their cooking time. This method ensures they retain their vibrant color and a delightful crunch, contributing to that authentic restaurant-style texture. For the grand finale, add your cooled, fluffy basmati rice to the wok with the sautéed vegetables. Quickly add the light soya sauce, vinegar, aromatic powder, white pepper, and pepper powder. Sprinkle in the sugar and return the fried eggs to the wok. Toss everything vigorously on a high flame to combine the flavors. Finally, garnish with fresh chopped spring onions, give it one last toss, and serve your delicious egg fried rice immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.